Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing? Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before.
Gumaganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang bighati, masilayan lang ang iyong ngiti. Okay, gandang isipin ang isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig.
Isang muli, yakap-yakap ng ulan sa lupa. Maghihintay na lang ng muling pagdating mo.
Bakit kaya pinagtagpo kung tayo'y magkakalayo? Mahirap man, puso'y mananatili sa iyo. Umaasang muli kang makasama, di man makita sa ngayon.
Di man makita sa ngayon.
Pagkat pag-ibig kong ito'y daan sa'yo. Ako'y ng puso ko'y maghihintay. Sa bawat sandali